Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to this channel, you won't regret it. And like the worst that can happen is you subscribe, you watch the whole video and you're like, God damn, I don't like her. And then you just unsubscribe. But subscribe first, okay? Because don't play yourself. Stay woke. Happy Black History Month as well, okay? So stay woke, stay unproblematic, okay? And stay loving yourself. Stay pretty too, because... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. So we're going to make this very pink, pretty Valentine's Day hearts. As much as a Valentine's Day look as I can possibly give you. Haven't done makeup in way too long. So if I'm a little rusty, you know, don't judge and everything. Like, so the first eyeshadow we're going to take is from ABH and it's called Love Letter Right Here. I'm going to take this on a little brush like this and I'm going to pack it into my crease because, you know, we want it to be very intense. So when that is packed, by the way, you can see I packed it in a very rounded way because I don't want it to be too blown out. I want it to be very like focused on the eyes. You're going to see what we're going to do and why I decided to make that choice. But I want something very rounded, something that's very just, you know, rounded. Lord, how many times am I going to have to say it? You feel me? Okay, I'm going to do something. It's not, I probably shouldn't do it, but I'm still going to do it. So taking the Morphe 35M, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a little dark still, but watch me go. I'm going to try to finesse the shade I just showed you guys right above this little crease color. From my Morphe 35B palette, which I believe is discontinued, but take like an equivalent shade from the new James Charles palette. And I'm going to take this baby pink right here, this one right here, and I'm going to blend out the edges, like really just blend them out because I want the whole eye to be pretty dark, but I still want like the edges to be blended, you feel me? Like, girl. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to repack all of these shades into my crease. And then I'll be right back. I'm also going to change my light because it's upsetting me, okay? BRB. Okay guys, I don't know if the lighting is better. Hopefully it's better, I don't know. What I'm going to do now is take a black from the Morphe 35M. It's just the black, like very small quantity because black is one of those shades, girl, if you're not careful, okay? Really extreme things could happen. So I'm basically just like using like what we call a tapping motion, okay? And then I'm just gonna lightly swoop it into my crease. I'm gonna use a very tiny amount of this black because black goes a long way and black could either like make or break a look. So you can see now, it's kind of harsh still. So I'm just gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. Then I'm just gonna blend it. But now I'm also just gonna treat myself to this little black in the crease action. We gotta do what we gotta do, and that's just the tea of the situation, you feel me? So now what we gonna do is we're gonna cut, as in like cut this crease. I'm going to do a halo eye, okay? And I'm gonna do something inspired by Erin Rose. You'll see, okay? You'll see. So I'm gonna dab a little bit with my fingers just to make sure that this edge is a little blended out because, listen, blending out your concealer edge is gonna help you blend everything you're gonna put on top, okay? That's just the truth of the matter. Now, we're gonna do something that I've seen Miss Erin Rose on YouTube do. And I quite like when she does it, so I'm gonna do it too. But all of the credit goes to her. I feel like she's the one who like did this. Well, I'm not gonna say invented, like who invented anything at this point? But I'm gonna take the hot pink from the Morphe 35B. I'm gonna show it to you soon. But then I'm just gonna put it right here. like right over this. So I'm gonna take this Real Techniques square detailer brush and I'm just gonna go right up against the edge of this eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a nice little pink line. This brush I feel like is nice for this because it gets really close. This is pretty. You can't see it yet, but it's really pretty. Actually, now that I think of it, I did recreate at one point a look that Miranda Blake 41 on Instagram did, where she had like some kind of like ombre like cut crease liner, like the liner on top of the cut crease. So now what we're gonna do is recut the damn lid. Oh my god, how many times am I gonna cut this lid, you ask? We shall figure out. And then I'm gonna take Diamond Glow Powders by Artist Couture, the one in the shade Yass, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Take Love Letter and buff out the edges. And then I'm just gonna put the Yass on the center, and I'll probably be right back, you guys. Oh my god, I don't know if I was recording all this time. I'm going to take the Artist Couture, I'm going to take the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Babe Alert and top it with the Artist Couture Le Freak lip gloss. Okay? It's looking very pink, huh? It's looking a little more pink, but I'm also going to apply the lashes, Celeste Los Angeles lashes in the style Cookie. This is so ratchet, like this is so goddamn ratchet. Clearly I did this, and I'm gonna apply them and I'm gonna put the gloss on and I'll be right back. This is it, guys. I put I didn't put this under. I wiped it because it was a little too pink. I just let my natural lips underneath and I put the Artist Couture Le Freak gloss on top, and I think it just gives like a very like nice like ooh like dark, but like this is sexy. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, I think this is really pretty, and I think that I would wear this all year long and not only on Valentine's Day because I don't care what season it is. I'll wear whatever makeup I want. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, you guys, because you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.